Middlesex County, northwest Plymouth County, Norfolk County, southeast Worcester County, Suffolk County, and Middlesex County until 11 a.m. At 9:52 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tingsboro to near Oxford, moving to the east at 45 miles per hour. The primary hazard...
No!
Radar does indicate that these storms are severe. The greatest impact will be from trees and down power lines. Locations impacted will be Boston, Lowell, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Lawrence, Somerville, Haverhill, Waltham, Brookline, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, and Methuen. Again, National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Essex County, northwest Plymouth County, Norfolk County, southeast Worcester County, Suffolk County, and Middlesex County until 11 a.m.
The current time is 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service office in Taunton, Massachusetts, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Essex County and Middlesex counties until 10:15 a.m. At 9:22 a.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located from New Boston to near Westminster to West Hartford. These storms moving to the east at 45 miles per hour. Main hazard with these storms will be wind gusts to 60 miles per hour, and radar indicates that these are severe thunderstorms. The impact will be following trees onto wires. Locations to be impacted: Lowell, Lawrence, Haverhill, Methuen, Leominster, Billerica, Shrewsbury, Chelmsford, Natick, and Lexington, as well as Dracut and Tewksbury. Again, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northwestern Essex County and Middlesex County until 10:15 a.m. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Essex County, northwest Plymouth